Cheese. Cheese.
Jacob, what are you eating?
Noodles.
Who are you going to see in Vermont?
Jojo.
Who?
Jojo.
Who else?
Oopa.
Who else?
Tay.
What are you going to do in Vermont?
Mountains. Mountains.
Mountains?
Yeah.
What else are you going to do?
Climb.
What are you going to eat in Vermont?
Chicken. Chicken.
Where are you going to sleep in Vermont?
Bed. Bunk bed. Bunk bed. Bunk bed. Bunk bed.
Are you going to have any toys there?
Yeah.
What toys? Any books?
No.
Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.